Fresh, crispy, and perfectly baked, welcome to the amazing World Biscuit Factory to see how they're made.
Get ready to discover the complete biscuit manufacturing process only on Factory IK. The journey of delicious biscuits begins with simple ingredients. The ingredients are combined to create the biscuit dough. The prepared dough moves to the shaping machines. Special molds cut the dough into biscuit shapes. Automatic stamping machines begin cutting identical biscuit pieces. The biscuit dough is baked in long industrial ovens. Conveyor belts carry biscuits into massive baking tunnels, and freshly baked biscuits must cool before packaging. Some biscuits are turned into sandwich biscuits with delicious cream. Machines place smooth cream filling onto biscuits. Every biscuit is inspected to ensure perfect quality. Line speed is steady, quality looks good.
I'll check the oven temperature.
No issues on my end. Finished biscuits are packed into colorful wrappers. Automated machines wrap biscuits in shiny packaging. Packed biscuits are grouped together for shipping. Machines place packets into large cardboard cartons.